In this video, I'll show you how to use a Bitget coupon on the mobile app so you can claim your rewards properly. First, open the Bitget app and log in. Tap your profile icon in the top corner, then look for Rewards Center, Coupon Center, or My Rewards. This is where Bitget stores bonuses like trading fee coupons, futures trial funds, or rebate vouchers. Next, find the coupon you want to use and tap it to view the details. Check 3 things: the expiry date, or the product type it works with, like spot, futures, or copy trading, and any minimum requirements like a minimum trade size. To activate it, tap Use Now, Claim, or Activate. Some coupons apply automatically once activated, while others only work when you place a trade in the correct section. Now go to the trading page the coupon is meant for. Place your trade as normal, and Bitget will apply the coupon benefit automatically, like reduced fees or a rebate. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.